you know, it's the old joke, there is no such thing as a routine operation, and the one operation you think is routine is going to get up and bite you one day when you're going through the motions and don't realize that you're about to do something really stupid or missing something that is just completely innocuous and you don't think is a big deal, when all of a sudden it becomes a very big deal and patient safety becomes a concern. As a veterinarian here at Operation Arctic Care, my primary job is providing spays, neuters, and rabies vaccination and immunizations and deworming to the animals in the local population, not only in Kotzebue, but also in some of the 11 other outlying villages here north of the Arctic Circle. They've taken us out into an austere field environment, and we're able to practice veterinary medicine in a location and in conditions that I've never experienced before in my life. Every time we go out into this area, it's a completely new experience, and I find new things that I have to learn how to improvise, adapt, and overcome from. I am learning that as I start a new procedure under austere conditions with less than ideal equipment and supplies, after I complete each procedure or each surgery, I realize that I was actually able to do it in conditions that I never thought I would have been able to perform before. It really is an empowering experience for a doctor out here. I'm doing surgery in a metal shop, and my surgery table is actually a table wide open in the garage, and we've had to position lights and get the area unusually clean so we can actually perform aseptic procedures without having a risk of infection to the animal while we're working. I've been having entire classes rotate through the lab, and I will actually perform surgery on the local animals and let the students come in and be within hand's distance and watch as it happens. And I let them ask questions, and I answer individual questions from students, and a lot of times students find themselves in here 2 or 3 hours out of their entire day while we're here. I asked one of the little girls if they could make me a sign that said Kotzebue Veterinary Services in Inupiaq, and she looked at the sign and says, "We don't have words for that." So they finally came out with a whole bunch of some words that could describe our mission for the sign, and finally when they made the sign, it translated as Kotzebue Discount Shaman. So we had signs printed up front and rear of the mission that we were the discount shaman from the Army. I'm hoping that by letting the students here in Alaska come in and get such a close knowledge and view of the surgical techniques and procedures I'm learning, that they can realize that just because they live in the middle of nowhere north of the Arctic Circle, they can pursue their education and end up anywhere they want to be. I started up in a house trailer in Oklahoma, and here I am deployed with Operation Arctic Care.